So, it's runes. How to make money in the metaverse. The first thing you can do is buy any land or property in the metaverse. Now, when you buy the property, it usually comes in the form of an NFT. And the largest, or at least the kind of biggest name in the world of buying land in the metaverse, is Decentraland. And then you go to the marketplace. That you make money in metaverse here is fairly simple. You can place a banner ad for your company or any third-party company, and you can charge heavy money for the service. You can add your YouTube channel play button in big hoarding, buy property in a crowded place in the metaverse, and promote your or someone on YouTube and charge accordingly. Same as above, you can generate some revenue by promoting your social handles like Instagram or TikTok. Buy property in metaverse and hopefully sell it at a higher price. Buy property in metaverse and advertise your real world business and start earning in the real world. Or you can rent it out. You can put your own advertisements on it. You can advertise for somebody else's company. You can build your own house on it. You can do a bunch of different things with it. The second strategy to earn money from metaverse is trading metaverse tokens. To earn money in the metaverse, you have to do a little deeper. This is the and safest way to generate revenue from the metaverse. In fact, you don't have to buy or invest a huge amount to buy metaverse land. Let's go a little deeper. So, for the currency used in Decentraland metaverse called Mana, if you go to a different metaverse called Sandbox, that token is called Sand. If you want to Axie Infinity, it is AXS. And if you go to Illuvium, it is ILV. So here we go to coin market cap. You can see Decentraland, and this is the token associated with that metaverse, and to buy or sell anything in that metaverse. Let's say that property is too much expensive. You can buy the metaverse tokens and you can get a similar upside as long as that metaverse does well in the long term. And right here are 4 different options. This would be a very similar kind of like buying a stock, but instead you're buying the coin or the token associated with the metaverse, where that is used to transact on that metaverse. And over coin market cap or platform like this, you can find a list of all the different tokens that are associated with metaverse. And this is a great opportunity here, because instead of picking and choosing which metaverse you think is going to do well, if you invest into the index here, you actually get a broad assortment of almost all of them, which is a great options of making money in the metaverse, in my opinion. A nice way to go, especially if you don't want to spend savings of years. I'm basically talking about everything else you can buy and sell in the metaverse. So this include avatars, products, buildings, wearables, basically anything that you can design on your computer. You can then upload to the metaverse, and so all you need is some very basic design skills. If you get any value out of this video, like, share and subscribe.